Welcome everybody to the Edge of Leverage. As the CEO of VirtueDesk, I would like to say, first of all, thank you everybody for actually your hard work, for being here, and for contributing to the company. VirtueDesk has grown 454% over the last 3 years, according to Inc. 5000 magazine. And we have made the list of Inc. 5000 this year as one of the only virtual assistant company on that list. This means we're one of the fastest growing companies in the United States, and this is all thanks to your success, hard work, dedication, and loyalty. I would like to welcome you to Edge of Leverage, where you guys would enjoy the activities, you would talk to your friends, co-workers, and overall have a good time. VirtueDesk has dedicated its time, resources, and energy to providing the best working environment for you, provide incentives, health insurance, and stability to your families. As you know, we operate the company on the value of family, unity, and prosperity. We want to make sure your families are well taken care of and you'll be able to provide for your families from the comfort of your own home. VirtueDesk has become one of the leaders in work from home companies in the Philippines, and we are growing and striving to be way better. To make sure you always have client, you always have health benefits, perks, paid time off, and other benefits that's available under the law. At the same time, I want to say again, guys, the success that VirtueDesk has experienced would not have been possible without you. You are part of VirtueDesk. You are VirtueDesk. We always say at VirtueDesk, we are VirtueDesk.